Hi everyone, welcome. This is Three Kids in a Home, and today we are doing a deep clean in my living room. Yes, this is the first deep clean of the new year. If you watched my last video, you saw that I just finished putting all of my Christmas decorations away, and my home is a complete disaster, you all. So we have got to get it straight for the new year. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany. On this channel, you'll find all things home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization. So if you like to see that sort of thing, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And for those of you who are coming back to my channel, I just want to say thank you again for sharing your time with me. I am going to be vacuuming and sweeping a lot today because with Christmas decorations, as you know, glitter gets everywhere, even if you didn't have much glitter. I also had flocked Christmas trees, and so I want to make sure that I get all of that up and then just do some dusting as well. With three kids, I always get a little bit nervous when I start pulling out sofas and tables because I never know what I'm going to find. When I clean, I do like to work in one room at a time and in sections. So right now I'm starting by the wall and then I'm going to work my way outward. To clean my blinds, I use these really handy blind cleaners. I found them at Lowe's and they're shaped like tongs. They're really neat. I just add a vinegar and water solution to help me clean the dust off the blinds. For the majority of my cleaning today, I'm actually using a vinegar water Dawn solution. So when you see me pull out this green and white bottle, that's actually what it is. A few months ago, one of you all suggested that I try spray away glass cleaner. So I did pick up a can and I absolutely love it. I love the smell. It just smells so good, and used in conjunction with my terry cloths, it gets the glass so nice and clean. Alright, so I told y'all I don't know what I'm gonna find when I pull this stuff out. So this wasn't too bad. It was just paper, and yes, that's a fruit snack. Rewind, fruit snack. Just to give you all a little behind the scenes and my thoughts, I had this idea where I was going to do this whole home deep cleaning motivation and put it together for you all in one video. But I wanted to be a little bit more realistic because y'all, it took me like 2.5 hours just to deep clean my living room. I am a very detailed cleaner, and also I still work full-time and my kids have their various activities. So in order for me to get my home deep clean the way that I want it to, there's just no way that I would be able to get it all done in one day. So what I'm going to do is just take the next few days and I'm going to put it out for you all in the next weeks, where I go through each space and just show you all how I deep clean my home, just to give y'all some motivation to get y'all pumped up for the new year. For my deep clean, in addition to sweeping and vacuuming, I also use a Swiffer dry sheet just because it helps to get up all of those fine dog hairs that everything else may have missed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and give my sofas a nice deep vacuum. I was going to wash the covers, however, our dryer is out of commission right now. The dryer vent had a leak that we have gotten fixed by the time that this video comes out, but it was just a whole thing. You all make sure that you get your dryer vent cleaned out on a yearly basis, especially if you are using it pretty regularly as we are with 3 kids. So you could tell that this sofa hardly gets sat on, but watch this one right here. There were so many crumbs. I was just like, oh my goodness. And it has not been that long since I vacuumed this out. It's just we use it that much. I'm just going to give my ceiling fan a quick dust. I just cleaned it not that long ago. If it had been longer, I would use a pillowcase to collect the dust from each blade inside of it. As I was cleaning up, I was listening to music and just having a good time. It's so wonderful when you just have something to keep you motivated as you're cleaning. For me, it's just the biggest motivation in itself, just knowing that I even have a place to be able to keep clean. That is such a blessing and such a huge motivation. You all let me know what helps you get in the groove to clean. Do you listen to music, podcasts, audiobooks? Let me know in the comments. When we host Christmas Eve dinner at our home, we do move the area rug and the coffee table out just because we use this space as another seating area for our guests. And so I just haven't put that back yet. My kids have been enjoying playing basketball and just roughhousing it around for a little bit. So I'm just going to get the floor nice and clean before I place those items back. So I have the glass out of the table right now so that I can make sure I get into all the nooks and crannies with the vacuum. I feel like I'm flipping a pizza when I flip this glass over like this, but you all, the amount of hands that gets on this thing, I have to get both sides clean. As I'm bringing decor back into this space, I still like to keep it cozy and neutral for the winter. I don't do any decorating for Valentine's Day or anything like that. I won't change anything up in here again until the spring, where I'll bring in a lot more color. If you watch any of my Christmas videos, you might remember these same florals. I decided to just continue to keep them because they do give off winter vibes for me. I'm just going to put them in a different vase. After all of the clutter and noise of the Christmas decor, I really like to keep things clean and simple after all of the decorations come down. Especially in the winter, it's really just a breath of fresh air to me. After I was done deep cleaning my living room, I smelled around and I realized I was missing a scent. I had to refill my sprayer with Apple of My Pie. I love this scent. It is so refreshing. But that concludes my deep cleaning of my living room. I hope that you all were able to get motivated. Let me know in the comments where you are in your New Year's cleaning journey. Again, as always, thank you so much for watching with me, and until next time, stay blessed.